What's up? This is Dualairsoft. I'm going to be bringing you a small little video. This is going to be more particularly for the AK-47 airsoft gun users. The AK-47 is a really good airsoft gun, and it's a very good type of airsoft gun to be used. However, that doesn't mean that they have their own fair share of problems. Take, for example, this right here. This is the main problem these airsoft guns have, is they become loose. So, how does one go about fixing this? Well, I'm going to give you a little bit closer look here on one part. That part right there needs to be tightened, and I'm going to show you how to do that. See, there's two kinds. You have this kind, and you also have those with a pop-off, a plate that pops off with a screw that's under it. This threw me off for a long time because, that was the only one that I saw. Now, we're going to try and hand tighten what we can, and, well, that's obviously not going to be much. You're going to need needle nose pliers, and all you're going to do is just simply tighten it. And you can, and with each tightening, the more you get it tight, the better it gets. Until you can no longer tighten it. Now it's obviously still a little bit loose, so you're going to need to keep going. And you simply perform this. And now, you have a fixed AK-47. This is Dualairsoft signing off.